This demo video showcases key features of the Winter 23 release of clearMDM. clearMDM standardizes, matches, and merges data at scale natively and securely on the Salesforce platform via UI, API, scheduled job, or real-time processing. Data never leaves Salesforce. MDM automations identify or generate master records, which represent the deduplicated, most intelligent view of the customer possible. The custom merge engine allows duplicate records to be linked and synchronized to the master record over time, or to be removed to conserve data storage. Unique customer insights can be drawn from the consolidation of related data, such as purchase transactions, invoices, or sales opportunities, from duplicates to the master record. Such insights enable accurate segmentation and marketing journey personalization as just two key examples. The clearMDM settings UI has been designed for Salesforce administrators and supports rules management. Matching rules identify records for merge by probabilistic rules, i.e. fuzzy logic, or deterministic rules where individual attributes can determine a match or no match decision. Merge rules determine how the master record fields are populated. Fields are grouped and validity and priority conditions applied. As examples, the most recent valid contact details or the highest quality address. clearMDM enables duplicates to be blocked at the point of entry or automatically matched and merged in the moment to capture new data. Two types of point of entry protection are provided: search before create and on save. Search before create requires the user to perform a search for matching records before being given the option to generate a potential duplicate. On save point of entry protection occurs when the save button is clicked in the UI or when an API transaction is presented to Salesforce. In addition to search before create and on save protection, clearMDM also provides a quick matching API, which answers the question, do we know this customer? And supports myriad use cases from website or mobile app registrations to ERP system integrations. Data quality rules enable profiling and data quality driven match and merge. Identified duplicates can auto-merge or require data stewardship. This decision can be driven by the record matching score or by record attributes. For example, match scores below 80% or matches involving elite loyalty program members require manual inspection and an accept or reject decision. Data lineage shows how the master record fields have been populated over the merge timeline. Field values can be restored to any point in time. Merge results are recorded for every merge event in the merge timeline for a master record. Each merge result provides an analysis of the records evaluated and the decisions taken by the merge engine. Rollback enables the master record state to be restored to a particular point in time on the merge timeline. clearMDM is used by global brands across multiple sectors for secure, scalable, Customer 360 Automation.